I hope this Memorial Day weekend brings you a lot of family fun on the water, and I also hope you'll stop and join us in a moment to remember those who gave their lives in service to our country. At Atlantic Marine, we also want you to be safe on the water this Memorial Day weekend, so let's go over the required safety gear and a few other things we think you really need to have on your boat. Starting with life jackets, you'll need to have a life jacket on board for every person. In addition to that, anyone under 13 is required to wear their life jacket while the vessel's underway, unless they are below deck. On this boat, the only area below deck would be in the head here. You'll also need a Type 4 throwable flotation device, and this needs to be easily accessible and out on deck so you can get to it in case you needed to deploy it or throw it to someone overboard. You'll need to have some flares with you, and the flares will have an expiration date. Make sure that those flares are unexpired and easily accessible. You'll need to have a horn or a whistle. I recommend keeping a whistle in case you have a dead battery or something electrical. You'll still be able to use your sound making device. You need to have a fire extinguisher, and if your boat is 26 feet or larger, you'll need a larger fire extinguisher or two. This fire extinguisher was manufactured in 2023, and it is good for 10 years. We've checked to make sure it's in the green, it's fully charged here. You'll need to have your kill switch engaged in order to operate the boat, and a Coast Guard rule does require that you wear this kill switch if you are above a planing speed. There's some other requirements or exemptions to that, and you can check those out online. You need to make sure that your registration is in date and valid, and a great place to carry your registration is in a key float here that you can pick up from our marina or our service center. So you can check this right on the registration card for the expiration date, and if it is expired, you can go on North Carolina Wildlife's website and renew it immediately, and that'll give you a temporary registration you can print out, which will make you legal on the water this weekend. Now, a few things that aren't required but that we do recommend that you carry: a first aid kit, of course sunscreen for everyone, water, and an anchor. I hope you have a safe and enjoyable Memorial Day weekend, and again, join us in a moment to remember those who gave their lives in service to our country.